Hello, today we will guide you through how to search fonts in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is loaded, go ahead and open a sample project. This gives you a timeline and editing workspace to work with, which is helpful because font options in CapCut are easiest to access when you're actively editing text inside a project. After your sample project is open, look toward the top of the screen and click on Text. This section is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, including options for adding titles, editing captions, and changing font styles. If you're new to the layout, take a brief moment to get familiar with this menu before moving on. Next, click on Add. This will place a new text element into your project. Adding text first is important because the font search and selection tools only appear once a text layer is active. As soon as the text appears, you should see a default or sample text box displayed in the preview area. Now click directly on the sample text shown on the screen. This selects the text layer so that its editing controls become available. If nothing changes at first, make sure the text box itself is selected and not just the timeline area. With the text selected, move your attention to the right side panel and look for the Font option. This panel contains the text formatting settings, and Font is the area that lets you browse and change the style of your text. Depending on your screen size or version of CapCut, the layout may look slightly different, but the font controls should still be visible once the text is selected. Click on the Font drop-down menu to open the list of available fonts. This is the main place where you can search through CapCut's font choices visually and choose the one that fits your project. Take your time here, since fonts can dramatically change the tone of your video, whether you want something clean, bold, playful, or cinematic. Finally, select a sample font from the list. Once you click it, the text on your screen should update right away so you can preview how it looks in your project. This instant preview makes it easy to compare styles and decide what works best for your content. And that's how to search fonts in CapCut. If you're trying out different looks, a useful tip is to keep your text selected while browsing so you can quickly preview each font without repeating any steps.